and the year 2000, no mint mark. Okay? I have some information I got. Okay? Here, let's read the information. Okay? Here we go. Uncirculated 2000D pennies, those which have nowhere and have never been spent as money, are worth 10 to 30 cents a piece. Especially nice uncirculated 2000D pennies are worth far more. The most valuable 2000D penny ever sold in a public auction was graded MS69RD. Wow, MS69. MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service for a whopping $2,415. Wow, $2,415 for MS69RD 2000D penny. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at the year 2000. No mint mark. Okay. Like that. There. Okay. Uncirculated 2000 pennies, those that have nowhere and have never been spent as money, are worth more than face value. The average uncirculated 2000 penny is worth 10 to 30 cents. Some are even worth more than that. The most valuable 2000 Lincoln penny without a mint mark was graded MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $3,220 in 2008. Wow, $3,220 for year 2000 Lincoln penny without a mint mark, graded MS69RD. Okay, let's read again. Uncirculated 2000 pennies are